I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to transfer money from your Payoneer account to your card, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Log into your Payoneer account. Start by accessing your Payoneer account through their website or mobile app. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. Step 2. Navigate to the withdraw section. Once logged in, find the withdraw option in the main menu. This is where you can manage your transfers. Step 3. Select your card. In the withdrawal options, choose the card you want to transfer funds to. If you haven't linked a card yet, you may need to do that first. Step 4. Enter the amount. Input the amount of money you wish to transfer. Double-check the amount to avoid any errors, as transactions can take time to process. Step 5. Confirm the transfer. Review all the details and hit the confirm button to finalize the transfer. You should receive a confirmation message once it's successful. Just a quick tip, sometimes the transfer might take longer than expected due to bank processing times, so don't be alarmed if it doesn't show up immediately. I hope this helps you with your money transfer. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.